Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Search Engine Diary, where we dive deep into the world of online marketing. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: types of online advertising. In this video, we'll explore various online advertising methods that can help businesses reach their target audience effectively. So, let's get started. Display advertising. The first type of online advertising we'll explore is display advertising. Have you ever noticed those eye-catching banners or image ads while browsing the web? Well, that's display advertising in action. It involves placing visually appealing ads on websites, usually in the form of banners, sidebars, or pop-ups. These ads aim to grab the attention of potential customers and direct them to the advertiser's website or landing page. Search engine marketing. Next up, we have search engine marketing, commonly known as SEM. This form of advertising revolves around search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. SEM utilizes paid search ads, where businesses bid on specific keywords related to their products or services. Whenever a user searches for those keywords, the ads appear prominently at the top of the search results. It's an effective way to target users who are actively searching for what you offer. Social media advertising. Moving on, we have the ever-popular social media advertising. With billions of active users on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, social media ads have become a goldmine for businesses. These ads can be in the form of sponsored posts, videos, or carousel ads. The beauty of social media advertising lies in its ability to precisely target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Video advertising. Now, let's talk about the power of video advertising. With platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, video ads have gained tremendous popularity. Whether they're skippable ads before a video, in-stream ads during a video, or even sponsored content, video ads captivate viewers' attention and deliver messages in a more engaging and memorable way. Businesses can use storytelling, product demonstrations, or testimonials to create compelling video ads. Influencer marketing. Another effective online advertising method is influencer marketing. In this approach, businesses collaborate with influencers who have a large following and influence over their audience. By leveraging the influencer's credibility and reach, brands can promote their products or services authentically. It's all about finding the right influencer whose audience aligns with your target market. Native advertising. Lastly, let's discuss native advertising. Native ads seamlessly blend in with the platform's content, making them appear more organic and less intrusive. You might have come across sponsored articles, recommended content, or even promoted listings while scrolling through websites or reading articles. Native ads provide value to the audience while subtly promoting a product or brand. And there you have it, folks. We've explored some of the most common types of online advertising. Remember, each method has its own strengths and can be effective depending on your business goals, target audience, and budget. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find the right mix that works for you. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy advertising. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with online advertising, feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay connected, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of digital marketing. See you soon.